Enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems are used by organizations looking to manage their business functions within a centralized and integrated system. ERP is commonly used by companies working within the supply chain to help keep track of all the moving parts of manufacturing and distribution. YGL ERP4.0 can be utilized by a number of different industries, including those in healthcare, non-profit groups, construction and hospitality. Organization needing to manage their staff, customers and inventory can all rely on ERP benefits. ERP stores all entered data into a single database, allowing all departments to work with the same information. Additionally, all this data can be organized, analyzed and made into reports. ERP brings together customer management, human resources, business intelligence, financial management, inventory and supply chain capabilities into one system. Enterprise resource planning software is used to manage a number of business functions. Even though ERP may have similar goals to other solutions, its YGL ERP4.0 unique features make it a distinctive competitor in the software market. The reasons why the importance of enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems should be considered by any organization. More money saved. Improved collaboration. Better analytics. Improved productivity. Happier customers. Simplified compliance and risk management. Improved inventory monitoring. Improved production planning and resource management. The importance of ERP far outweighs the initial cost, time and effort involved in implementation if you choose the right solution. Want to know how to benefit from finance consolidation and ERP technology integration? You need an independent, experienced and skilled YGL on your team, right from the start. Get in touch with us.